Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Tarot with Aisha. Hope you all are doing well. Today we are here again to have a weekly reading, to have a quick check about the next week, that is starting 24th of May to 30th of May. If you are new to my channel and haven't yet subscribed to it, go and subscribe it right away. Also do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I upload a new video. Moving ahead to our readings. We have a card for Two of Pentacles, Queen of Swords and Page of Pentacles, which means that in the next week you are going to get some kind of new beginning, some new opportunities coming up in your way. Also, it is going to be the time that you need to consider your future or long time approach and then make a decision. For example, there might be situations wherein you might get two opportunities you were trying for say if you were trying for a job, and maybe there might be chances that you will get opportunities from two of the organizations. Here you have to make a choice by analyzing both the opportunities and considering your long-term goals. If both the organization is giving you a good post, a managerial post, but one is giving you a short-term post for some time period, say on a contract basis, and the other is giving you a permanent employment. So consider your future, consider your security and your long-term goals and focus, and accordingly make a decision. So this is not only restricted to your job or your career. Such kind of confused state or difficulty in making a decision might come in any of the aspect of your life, maybe in relations, or maybe you will have to choose one from the multiple options. So any such kind of situation may arise in the upcoming week. Also, the week is going to test your patience, so be very calm and be focused on your goals. See to it what is the way of communication that you are using. Keep yourself grounded. Just do not take an action without thinking. Think twice and be very calm before taking an action or before making any move. This is going to help you to create a better future, because there is a possibility that you might lose your calm and speak such words or take such an action that you might regret later. So it is just an advice and alert for you guys to be very cautious about what are your actions and what words you are speaking out. Also, I have a Magician card over here, which means that you are going to be the creator of your life, the creator of your future. So whatever decision making that will be done, or whatever the planning that you will be doing in the upcoming week, will definitely impact the future that you are going to have. So make a proper planning and then make a move. Looking out for the guidance for the upcoming week, I have the card Six of Wands over here. The Six of Wands card states that there is going to be some opportunities coming up in your way, and for which you are putting in efforts from a very long time, and now is the time that you are going to get its result, and that is going to be quick. Even if not in the upcoming week, I would say within 6 weeks you are going to see the results. That is almost 1.5 months. So this opportunity is going to be fulfilled. So wherever you are, if you are finding yourself in a state that you are being putting in a lot of efforts but you are not getting the results, so hold on. This is the time that you need to stick to your goals, and that is when you will be able to see the results. So be calm, continue with your efforts, and be ready for the positive results in your favor. That's all for this week. Do let me know in the comment section if you could resonate with the readings. Like and share the video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay safe, stay indoors.